Lumbajong ahawar ke parlopon inglong kiri LP school along langso li eralong kacing thurasai long ike sompon. Jambili NGO atum kawi ki boydet Deopani constituency arlo rongara ratuma phan ning ke mepen kerap ki pajirdam. Kardom pini prime time berita long pen ni sami promila timumpi non berita ton pen arjuponik tha. Phaikuni ni phai thongkep lumbajong constituency ke parlo langso liet inglong kiri LP school along HAD minister Sumrong Hang ahin pen Assam Adarso Gram Yojana askim pen kaching thuramoson long ekisom. Labangso long ekeso mamayalong aluhi sarpo aman pen HAD Minister Sumrong Hang EM Ratan Teron Deputy Commissioner Board Chairman atum BJP President BDO Gram Sevak Lapen Radatum Ong Dung pen Chitong Dun Rinti Laso amai Chengchi Aprang Karbiaron pen Minister EM atum aphan Chong Nok pen Chengki Thip ke Theng pen Kangthum Karnia Saita Padopon Apithu Mai Chali Pon Mai Phu Anghoi Singnisi Aluhi Pachini Pon pen Aluhi Atma Phan Karbi Poho pen Archopon Apithu Aluhi pen Lamthi Pajai Tekang Laso Alam Kijayahut HAD Minister Kaningje ke Non Model Village Kelongdun ke Difu LEC pen Constituency Hini Isike Lumbajong Lapen Isike Langfer Lumbajong pen Langsoli Edalong Lapen Langfer along ke Richo Hidi along pusi Than Pachini
Amangke dak asayang deng lapang so area long pada lama dak long ke som long top do erlo abang so model village arlu masih kimpo masih kamu pernah tan lo model village kikim pan kenan so kitilah satangka bang ready lo kasi ada ka bang ke toar lo kijuna lang lo
halo
lapen
Lase pini lapangso inglong kiri
toar lo kapen daki kimnai ke ICDS center ta tunangi kapen aku wedding center ta tunangi amne rong ru patum choklem chudama barsai facility ta long nang po all production and training ta lo ba jisu choklem chudama tim ali ke tu pen kapen me thang chipang thir pen palang major pen atau kabe pidata di ponji pansi di komoko asi komen hinda Assam government Assam Adorso Gramo Jona Adorso Gao Jona
Sarla Putes Kuntu
like transformation and development department finance department MP tunda anutin MP tu mana tu ada MP area ke pasta assembly apa yang tu masih sontot celangun sih assembly penta MLA tu mana MLA homo sitting duita so duita orang dipu MLA constituency ke si bangke langker MSC homo sitting itu hidi dharam tul dia nonglo latihan badak Dipu MLA constituency, tapi MSC constituency ke Lumbajong lo, ada langsung lihat lo. Kami si model village select kuri lo, amen apa tayar lo, officially tak kena lo, si tangka tak sensor lo, 50 lakhs, dan tangka tak DC office lo nang lo, so kami tangka bang, kami kita pang cengko, 15 lakhs tangka bang, okay, 50 lakhs out of 15 lakhs patangka bangke video teman rilis kampanye
HAD Minister Benako Ningje Thulake Alangle Kepek Vekta Tovarta JE Atum Mabang HAD Minister Kepek Tovar Paklang Klesi Along Kapreksi Paklang Damrong Pusi Ningje Lapen Lason Corruption Ke Klemasai Karbiang Nong Arlo Ingtonang Po Jongsi Chingthunangji Pulote Puta Alang Lihin Pen Ningje Kichengsi BJP Minority Morcha Langfer Model Committee Executive Amai BJP Langfer Model Committee Office Volongko Majialong Paman Pon Kichingsi BJP Minority Morcha Langfer Mondal Committee Executive Amai BJP Langfer Mondal Committee Office Volongko Majialong Pamanpon Labangso Amai Rovelson Hansepen Charipon Aluhi Amanpen Sar Mohes Ingti Treasurer BJP Minority Morcha East Karbi Anglong District Committee Anparta BJP Langfer Mondal Committee Dunmaipu Mohan Dera Dunmaipi Rupa Bordoloy Kongchunbang Noren Teron Chunbang Babu Singh Bed Pen Mampi Singha Anparta Langfer Bharatiya Janata Mohila Morcha Maipi Junaki Lekthepi Kongchunbang Basonti Ronghangpi Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha Maipu Robi Singh Phangcho Kongchunbang Rangsina Teron Pen Chenglok Kaprek Morcha Tum Chetongdun Lapen Kewangji Lang MLA election Lang Phera Long Pen BJP Avut Kachipalong Ponje Phanta Jingmai Pon Phaikonia Chiklo ni phai thongkep arni lakha inkora phli Deopani constituency kaparlo holokhuwa lakha hini lapen jengrong piarong ame karatum kavi ke boideratum do olangpu mathasi jambili NGO atum ning kemepen kangsama botor kaching thang apikarom lapen kachium api hai hu rongara ratubaphan rondamsi chingki chithandam
Labangso Jambili NGO kemang lake munit atomafan koposonsi kerengdun thekjima puaputhak munit atomafan than momsi joy ke joywan pen lapen cholong junlong pen pirtheke somdun thekjia phansi kemang dam Labangso NGO ke munit atomafan katheang kipihendo alangletum kemang learn to live love the faith live the light lasi alangletum kedam tang ani arong damsi penangan kari ke boydet arat atomafan nim ke mepen asap soket cita kedoan pen kangsam abotor kaching thang aperi lapen kachium ape hei hui ron pon bomsi phaikonia chiklo ni phai thongkep anian jengrong piarong amekar mithora toma phanta doan asom rapon longlo lapen laso aphi holokhwa longta lason thotsi rapto dam longlo
pini nili nale tuma phan nang peklangji ning hangke badak holokhwa nong tu arong along inu da sarpi akeng atekok ari katekok abang phi phan si Jambili NGO hin pen pini kirap ke bang alang li phan alang li tuma hin pen mesen api ari alang li phan paching thang lo la pen kachi uma pe hai ta alang li phan wan pi la pason si alang li inu adivasi bang asar pi pon si alang li phan adivasi asari hai ta alang li tum wan pi lo la ke mi urong theklo sinon jo la bangso asar pi phan ke theklong pen alang li tum ki pu ateng pulo tangte Indian Constitution ka mate hong bidhan long ki to ka teng right to equality ka duk ka weta isi kaching thur pet nang ji ki cholong pet nang ji ki junong pet nang ji la pen hamrit ki do pet nang ji rondo asi pini asam long la son son sarpi ningkan ko anu ne la bangso karbiang long asam long do ko ka pita thang kaching thur over sai tawe si piniyarni government atum pen thang over sai claim thek thedat theklong si NGO atum alang tum ning ki me pen pin la bangso atim nang pang thirpi le pen ason pe riwan pilo la puson si karbiang long tan mas council le pen asam government la son si union government ahin pen ta la bangson son akam ki me claim peklang ponang ji cameraman phan la bangso ki claim ka dam ka peklang je phan sini joning rigla
Jambili NGO atom mingkini pen laposon asai ke claim ke dam pon theka pot alangetum jengrong piarong ka homri dam mahut rong arat amen pen rong piarong apherang ke akhai longki rong pi akehai khoi rong phar lapen akhai joy rong phar atom Jambili NGO atom phan suri kachoro lapen mingkaching duk pajir don jengrong piarong homri dam det api holokwa lakha hini along ke boydet inut adibasi asarpi Arya keng katekok et abang phia phanta pothot kerat pajirdam thu
kami nilitum kangsama pornang lelepu munthi si nilitum sitame Jambili team ahin pen nilitum alang liphan pe karom mate blanket lapen de kaching thanga pe distame puthot nilitum ning kang sampai alang liphan nitum pajir ponlo lapen labangso ki pajir along nilitum lo nang chirap chitoduna anu
Jambili NGO atum labangso asar pia hem pangthir pi tekangsi peri keme pekar om chitim pen kachipajok japhan chitemala lapen adibasi ape heihu sar piare deng pitekangsi ning bangsam pekang labangso asar pia phan jokta homri dam abang abe lapen rapto abang abe bonta Jambili NGO atum laposon kanghon kapaklak dam pen labangso asar pi amekri bu prupsi ning karong pen Jambili NGO atum aphan kachoru pajirdon
union government at large
At the outset, I just would like to speak about the Karbi Anglong and the initiative that we have taken. We, the team of Jambili NGO, we have taken this initiative to help people especially to the poorest of the poor. At this moment, people are suffering from this cool winter. They are suffering. They don't have sufficient clothes. They don't have blankets, and there are many other families that they don't even have clothes to wear. So those people are the team of Jambili NGO. We are trying to help them. We are trying to reach out people, especially to the poorest of the poor who are really in need of our help. So we, the team of Jambili NGO, have these objectives, and we are moving forward. We are marching ahead to reach those people as much as we can. We are getting help from the people, and we are getting help from some leaders, some of our family members. They are helping us. It is not that we have plenty of money. We have our own things for and needy, but we are getting help from others. So that helps. We are making use of it, and we are reaching out to the poorest of the poor. So I request the Council of Karbi Anglong to look after these people who are really in need of help from the council, at the same time from the district assess. So I request the council members, the council authority, to look after those poor people, especially those who don't have house to live in, those who don't have clothes to wear in, those who don't have blanket to put themselves, to warm themselves. So I request them to help them in what way you can.
Pe ripen chenglok ason ahormu Jambili NGO atumaphan kerap tunapot alang litum pen Deobani constituency IMC lapen kaprek kerap ketudun abangphu atumaphan kachoro pajirpon lapen ansose kachingthor amo rat aphan kejapon jiaphan Jambili NGO ahin pen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council aphan kachenubita padopon hanjang so pen Jameson terong lapen tison lekthe Karbi Daily News.
Bokajan jua sotro porikhot lapen atsa atum ghonta kithom kachisong Okhel gogoya phan pajok nangji pupen Bokajan along okhom jotiebot jua sotro porikhot lapen atsa atum ghonta kithom kachisong dingpon lebangso kachisong along jitu phukon tulop horpal atum pen Okhel gogoya phan pajok nangji lapen President aphan ta pinpuralo pajirpon জননেতা অখিল গগৈক মুক্তি দিয়ক কৃষক আইন বটল কৰক অসমত IPL প্ৰৱৰ্তন কৰক বু স্লোগান হাংপন পিনি প্ৰাইম দামা বিৰটা গেলা পন সিকাংতন বনিগলো দমে থাকমে কুৰৱাংথু